Hi there, and welcome to Thunkable, the drag and drop app building platform. Today, we're going to make a translator app. Let's get started by designing the layout of our app. Let's drag in a text input so that the user can type their input in. And then we'll put in a translate button. We'll just edit the text there to say translate. I'll make the button a little wider to fit that text. And then we'll put in a label to display the output. We can take the text label out of that. We don't need that for now. And we'll make it nice and big in case we need to display a long output. And we'll rename that label to result label. Fantastic. Let's go to the blocks. As this is a translation app, we'll get the translation block from the speech drawer of blocks. We'll say that when we click on the button, we'll set our result label to show the translation. Of course, the text that we want to translate is the text that the user has entered with the text input component. There are many languages available for use with our translation block, but we're going to stick with the default English to Spanish. Once we've translated that, we are going to read out the text of our label with the say block. We'll get the result label text, and of course we'll read it out in Spanish because the text has been translated to Spanish. Great, let's test out our app. So let's start by simply typing in hello.
Hola,
Perfect. And now let's type in welcome to Thunkable.
bienvenido a Thunkable.
Great. As before, you can also live test this app on your device.